In the heart of Rajasthan, India, lies a majestic structure, a testament to the rich history and culture of this vibrant country. This is Amer Fort, a fort so grand and beautiful, it seems to have leapt straight out of a fairy tale. Amer Fort, also known as Amer Fort, finds its roots in the late 16th century, under the rule of Raja Man Singh I. This robust leader, a trusted general of the Mughal Emperor Akbar, envisioned a fort that would be a stronghold of power, a symbol of courage and an epitome of Rajputana grandeur. Construction began in 1592, and the result was a stunning amalgamation of Mughal and Hindu architectural styles, a fort that was not just a military base but also a home and a center of art and culture. In the following century, under the rule of Mirza Raja Jai Singh I, the fort underwent significant expansions. The ruler, known for his keen interest in architecture, added more buildings, courtyards and gardens, each more beautiful than the last. The fort became a symbol of prosperity and power, a beacon that attracted the attention of other kingdoms and empires. One cannot talk about Amer Fort without mentioning its intricate design and architectural brilliance. The fort houses several buildings, each with a unique purpose and design. Among these are the Diwani Arm, or Hall of Public Audience, the Diwani Khas, or Hall of Private Audience, and the enchanting Sheesh Mahal, or Mirror Palace. These structures, with their intricate carvings and stunning embellishments, reflect the opulence and sophistication of the times. The fort also holds a place of significance in the history of Rajasthan because of its strategic location. Sitting atop a hill, it guarded the city and the palace complex while providing panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes. This made it an invaluable asset in times of war and conflict. However, Amer Fort is not just a symbol of power and military prowess. It also stands as a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Rajasthan. The fort has seen numerous festivals and celebrations, each filled with music, dance and merriment, echoing the vibrant spirit of the Rajputana culture. To summarize, Amer Fort, with its majestic structure and rich history, is more than just a monument. It's a symbol of the grandeur and glory of a bygone era. It stands as a testament to the architectural brilliance of the times, the military prowess of the Rajputana rulers, and the vibrant culture and traditions of Rajasthan. Its walls echo with tales of courage, power, and prosperity, making it an important link to our past, a link that helps us understand our history and appreciate our heritage.